Uzenenye. Uzenenye. Uyakuthanda ukubikwa wena. Uyithatha phi le?
So where you from? You seem pretty cool.
I'm from Pumalanga, but currently in Gauteng.
Ayikho intombazane edla u4 slices. Senibheme insango nina.
Molweni bafethu, I hope everybody's doing great. Wherever you are watching this video from, it is salute lapho. If you are seeing me for the first time, gama lam lingu Amani. Kule channel we bring you the best of local content. So if that's what you are into, make sure that you do subscribe. So namhlanje we have nothing but the best njengesiqhelo. Let's check it out.
I mean, when you look at how Paul Mashatile walks, they are sick. Old age, some of the symptoms of old age is sickness. So we can't entrust old people with the future which they will not be there. They won't be there.
Yeah, nidla abantwana. Asuka abantwana cha. Ngiyathola akusho. Yeah, mina ngiqala ngentwana esidla abantwana. Sure, cha. Yeah, intwana esidla abantwana. Is it? Yeah. Sharp machibus.
I think that's going to be the title of this video bafethu. Ningadli nyawope nidla abantwana. Mina ngicwala ngendwane ezidla abantwana.
Wakhuluma nami kanti awunakile. Ngiyahlala impela ecomment. Ngimubi kabi ngiyazumana. Angiqondani. Ngiyakuyeka nje ujabula uqedwe. Bese ngihlala. Ushayite waphathi. Hawu, uhlanye. Uhlanye. Uyiphuzele mfowethu. Uxoxa ubhekele. Kodwa umzuma ngani kanti? Ngisithini.
Ikhona into emnandi edlula utshwala.
Ayikho bahle. Hayi lutho. Lutho ayikho.
Ayikho into emnandi edlula utshwala. So,
yebo.
Hayibo. Ayikho into emnandi edlula utshwala. Ziningi kangaka.
Yeah, guys, we are with the South African rugby team.
POV is into Zichin Chila Copper.
Timer. Izinto zitshintshile ngokwapeka apha ngoku. Izinto zitshintshile. Sadala time. Solo tata man. I break time, man. Send us a Facebook. Solo man tata man. Ungakhathazeki man ungakwinhliziyo. Ebele bilemnandi wanindo ay madoda. Asiyekele into zezitho class. Ayikho right ay.
Ayikho right la prank. Ayikho right nyani la prank. Just imagine ke wenza la prank umuntu ophethe ugana vela khupha ugane qa. One shot. Akabaleka la tata.
Brother, abanye abantu bazawa. Bazawa nyani man. Bazawa abantu bra.
The last guy is definitely taking it down. Uchola imbokodo uzayiwisa.
Amadoda waphilanga.
Ubani?
Uhlukana amadoda waphilanga.
Yanibona. Dihita.
Hita nto.
Dihita.
Hita nto.
Ihita. Yombani, ihita mbani. Ihita mbani, yazi ihita mbani. Kodwa una understand like.
Aka-understand.
Abonane emathuneni ngempela siyafika yikhulu ledawo amathuna eseduze
They took the song literally bahlangene emathuneni ngempela. But I'm amazed ngale phone apha. Damn. Which phone is this one? Did you see that zoom? And then ikhetile okanye igiza.
Uyakuthanda ukuba igwamu wena.
Bonke bebesithi abashayeli abagezi. Nansi evidence.
Ye batombiwa yana go berekwa nyana maputsi yana.
How is that happening? If you understand, please kasicacisele. Okanye Limpopo, is that you?
Only in Cape Town will you see such cock holding that thing in, thinking of the fear I've had so long.
Would you go to such a groove, bafethu? Paka my headphones. Wow.
Utozimoto. Ene? Kanjani sis?
Uwenzani?
Ndikhalela undithumelele mani noba yiphiki nje nothi engathi xa ndiyibona ndizive ndinemizwa. Imizwa ke zinjongo nemincili. But ungasivezi ubuso bakho noba uzithumelele nje amazantsi odwa. Phiki nje enhle mani yoyo ezathi ndiyithathe.
Ubafu ucela amanyundululo xa ngendlela right. Why your voice is sounding ngathi nguPremier wase Eastern Cape?
Nalidatha la. Azoliyana la.
Mina ngihlanya kamnandi, ngihlanya ngiphile saka. Ende ngihlanya kamnandi kanjani?
Abe.
Apartheid. Jan van Riebeeck.
Not Jan van Riebeeck man, Verwoerd. Gawuthe nguVerwoerd. Ungabuza noba ngubani ekasi ba, what is this dog? Uzathiwa yi-police dog.
Asking classmates Afrikaans questions after the exam.
MC. What is blanket in Afrikaans?
Blankette.
Hey Kaya, what is blanket in Afrikaans?
I-Afrikaans inzima bafethu. I've always said so, i-Afrikaans inzima. If apha ngoku.
Junior, what is blanket in Afrikaans?
Fuck, I keep it like this.
What is blanket in Afrikaans?
Oh, I can't man. I can't even what is that day, man. I get that scrape into fleece. I get scrape fleece, man. Fuck
it. What is blanket in Afrikaans?
Blanketina.
Frank, what is blanket in Afrikaans?
Blankets.
Philo, what is blanket in Afrikaans?
Converse.
Hey, Guaps, what is blanket in Afrikaans?
Blank.
Pussy, what is blanket in Afrikaans?
Converse.
Aish. Tyler, what is blanket in Afrikaans?
As converse.
Yo, Afrikaans inzima bafethu. Only 3 guys got it right. Refilwe, Uvusi, I think no Tyler. They got it right. The rest bafailile. Especially lo uthi i-fleece. Yo, awuhlekisile i-fleece. Blanketina. That was today's video bafethu. If you enjoyed that video, make sure that you do subscribe and I'll see you on the next one. Sure.